Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to our video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a Dhaba Style Dal recipe, and this is very easy to make and very yummy to eat at the end. For this recipe, we are going to be needing 1 cup each of moong ki dal and masoor ki dal, and quarter the amount of these two of chana ki dal, so quarter cup of chana ki dal. These three are already boiled. I have chicken over here which is cooked, and if you have any leftover chicken you can use that and saute it in salt, pepper and garlic, or just use this and shred it. You will also be needing 1 teaspoon each of garlic and ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of lal mirch powder or red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi, and 1 teaspoon of salt, a quarter cup of desi ghee, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of sabat zira, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of kalonji, a quarter cup of butter, and coriander and green chilies for garnish. So let's get started. I'm making this in a clay pot because it's very good for your health, and this is the thing that gives you the real Dhaba style flavor, and make it in this. First, we are going to be putting in both our moong and masoor ki dal to our pot over here. Other one goes, and all of our spices. So that includes our turmeric or haldi, salt, red chili powder or lal mirch powder, paprika, and garlic and ginger. And I'm just gonna mix this until it is well combined, and then take it to the stove. This is what the dal looks like right now, and I'm going to take it to the stove now. Put the lid back on. Take it back here. And turn the stove on. I'm just going to take the lid off, and I'm going to mix this. And this I'm going to let it be on the stove for around 15 minutes. And until that's happening, we are going to be preparing our, you don't need this. Yeah, we are going to be preparing our chana ki dal. I have a blender here. I'm going to put the chana ki dal into this. And there's some water in this already. And I'm going to, yeah, see? It's all blended already. How many seconds did that take? 2? Taking the chana, mashed chana off the blender, and I'm going to take it out into this. There. And now we're going to head back to the stove to make the tadka on the stove, and after 2 to 3 boils we're going to be adding our chana ki dal and the chicken. But while that's happening, we're going to be preparing our tadka. For this I have my asli ghee, butter, kalonji, garlic, sabat zira and garam masala. So I'm gonna add the haldi to it, the butter. Oops. It's going to let the burn out. I'm gonna add the garlic. While the garlic is browning, I'm going to be adding the chana ki dal into this dal. As you can see, the bubbles are starting to come. And this goes. I'm gonna mix this. So now that this is mixed, you can start to see the garlic browning over here. And I'm going to add in the rest of our spices, including the kalonji, garam masala, and sabat zira. And I'm gonna mix this. Now this is well mixed, our tadka is ready. I'm going to turn the stove off, And I'm going to be adding the chicken into our dal. There. Just gonna mix this. Looks good already. Okay, now this is mixed. I'm going to be adding the tarka into this. So I'm gonna pick it up. Put it in. And now I'm gonna mix this. Okay, you can see this creamy texture over here and this thickness. That's because of the chane ki dal that we put in. And when you go to a restaurant, you normally expect this kind, but because it's so well mixed in and blended, you don't really know what's inside it. And also, like, you can't tell which dal is there. Like moong, masoor, chane ki dal, which one is there. You get to know all three are in there. As you can see the chicken, you can't really see it in there, but when someone takes a bite of this dal, they will know the flavors and it will just give an amazing taste. Okay, I'm gonna take this to my counter. Under this lid, I have the most amazing dal you have ever eaten. Da, 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 da. Whoa, that looks amazing. It smells amazing too. Okay, let's get ready for the garnish. I'm gonna add my coriander. I'm gonna add my green chilies. One here, one here. That looks so good, you guys. You guys should really try this recipe. And it smells amazing. Next time you make dal, make sure to follow my recipe. So I'm gonna close it. This pot is like amazing because it also keeps your food warm for a very long time, and it gives the best and the best taste ever. And honestly, it reminds me of my ancestors and how they used to make their food. Look at that. Looks amazing. Next time you make dal, make sure to follow this recipe and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos, and go follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Bye!